Cordial greeting, companions, and today I talk about some results for the teaching and learning process. Result to support teaching and learning process by Lorena Villegas Alzate. It refers to innovation in web-based results, the presentation of content, conversation of topic, seen a part of the development of the class. Today, some examples. This blog are Squarespace. Squarespace is an interesting support and interesting resource because Squarespace is one blog that is for to the teacher share information, to share imaging nice imaging for your students, simultaneous and multimedia. And next is about the content. The content in this blog is very interesting because it's about some resource, some supports, and nice image and nice content. This is my blog for you. It's about some space for to share more content and to share more images. For example, Resolve to support teaching and learning. Human Resolve is one image that I try to organize my content. If I want to share more content with my student, I share my content, what is the image relationship with this content. For example, video and audio resource. For example, one in imagine with letter is important that use few letters. Is multimedia resource refer to those tools, allow time information, better in Spain, and time management of tile visual resources available online, simple games and scale development sites. It's interesting because simple games for the student is nice learning of nice teaching too. Other image in my page because it's simple. You try to upload some image about the topic. You try to upload some content for the student that is nice learning and nice teacher for the two. Resolve does mean that promote the learning and teaching process in a more effective and dynamic way. It's more dynamic because it's simultaneous too, and the student go to learn other topics about your homes, and because the student go to learn about topic 1 month after or 1 month after the class or before too. It's pedagogical innovation. This blogger Squarespace, you organize your ideas in, for example, in Google, register, and in this site to complete some easy question for the register. Next, you in your space for the work, organize your ideas and your images too. This is my page, for example. It's very simple too. 1, 2, 3 with imagine and process. Human resource is very easy. Remember is only to register, to try to upload an image, to try to upload to content. It's easy for the student, it's easy for the teacher to share information about the class, and is free too. It's free for the public, for your student and for other people that is necessary to read this content. And this is my topic. This is the excellent resource because the students call to to share with the information in all the time in your home, in your class, with the teacher, with other students, and it's nice information, nice image, nice content. Is easy for the learning, easy for your for manipulate this information. Thank you very much.